we need 2 cups of maida, half cup of powdered sugar, add some cinnamon also so that the donut tastes well. A mixture of rapid yeast, sugar and warm milk. Use warm milk, do not use hot milk. 50 grams of butter. So these are the ingredients for the dough.
To make the dough, add 2 cups of maida into a bowl. And now I am adding half cup of powdered sugar in. Now add the yeast. You can see the condition of the yeast. Donuts are ready. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and